Heat peaks today. Strong storms will take over as early as this evening through tomorrow, breaking this heat wave. Let's talk about what we've got going on. Most of us are under a heat advisory from 11 a.m. to 8 p.m. That will include a 3-hour period of a heat index value between 105 and 111. Meantime, our eastern communities, which include Coffee, Atkinson, Clinch, and Eccles, are under an excessive heat warning, so that's a level up. That means heat index values will be above 110 for 3 hours this afternoon. Please take heed and take action. Stay indoors if you have to be outside. Just take lots of breaks, stay in the shade, and drink plenty of water. Let's talk about the morning start. 78 is air you can wear this morning. Low 80s as we head into that 9 o'clock hour, and then low 90s already by noontime, mid 90s. We'll top off in the upper 90s this afternoon. We don't have as much haze, and we will see a chance of showers and storms developing just after 5 o'clock. We'll talk more about that in a little bit. So here's where our highs will top off this afternoon, anywhere between 94 and 99. And here's where our heat index values will top off, anywhere between about 105 and 112. And those, again, eastern communities have the best chance of getting to that 110 plus heat index values. Let's talk about the severe threat. That'll be ongoing. 4 o'clock is early for our northeastern communities, and then as late as 10 o'clock for the southern communities. This will include a 15% chance in the slight risk and a 15% chance of flash flooding and damaging winds, again in that yellow highlighted area. Everyone else will be in the marginal risk, which is 5% chance damaging winds, flash flooding, and hail. So we'll be dealing with some strong storms propagating from north to south late afternoon and evening. Scattered strong storms this evening from 7 to 11, 90 to 81, and the scattered storms will linger into around the midnight hour, then start to diminish overall. All right, let's take a look at our forecast clouds and rain. Hot, hazy, and humid. The haze is not as bad as it's been. That's the good news. We don't have any low air quality, or bad air quality, I should say. But there are the thunderstorms. This model is actually showing them moving right into Albany around 6 o'clock this evening, and then around 8 o'clock for Valdosta. This front stalls, and it'll act as a focusing mechanism for big-time thunderstorms tomorrow. This model is showing it coming in right around midday. It could be a little bit later. That's usually when we kind of trend this time of year, but you can see it continues to blast into the early afternoon, mid-afternoon across our southeastern communities. Sunday, the focus may be a little bit farther south, but we're still going to keep the rain chances on the good side because the front will be pretty much parked on top of us, and showers and storms. Good rain totals. Some areas could easily exceed 3 inches. Let's talk about the severe threat on Saturday. It's a more widespread severe threat. It is a marginal risk for all areas from 10 a.m. to 7 p.m. 5% chance of damaging winds, 5% chance of flash flooding, and 5% chance of hail. Let's get you through the weekend. Strong storms, 70% chance of rain, a seasonable high, but it's going to be very humid. The heat index numbers will still be near 105 before those showers and storms arrive. Sunday, 73 to 87. 60% chance showers and storms. We'll have that rain chance on Monday, and we'll get back into some seasonable heat on Tuesday. Boy, that was the disco version of this little recording. We'll do more on Today in Georgia on your Friday forecast from 5 to 7 a.m. We'll see you then.